This one I bought from Woodland Scenics, but I'm sure that not everybody around the world has access to that company. So I'm gonna show you how to make your own. Get yourself some cheap synthetic wig. This one costs $8.99, but from here you could do a lot. Just cut different strands, various shapes, various sizes and lengths. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take the base that you're working on, that you want to apply this grass to, and take a chunk like this, trim the bottom off so I can make it even, and start basically dabbing it in. And if you're working on a large area, you want to do this hand by hand because it's very tedious to do it that way. Get yourself some Super 77 or any spray adhesive. Spray the area you want to work on. Take your synthetic hair and just cut chunks of it, lumps of them, and just dab them everywhere. Just try to fill all the places that you spray the glue on. Let it dry, if possible, overnight. And when you come back, you can trim the grass to wherever size you want and vacuum the excess. Letting it dry for a little while. I actually used my heat gun to speed up the process. I've been trimming away at the excess to the length I want, and I'm gonna, for this demonstration, just make tall grass, straighten up those bristles, make them stand up straight, and it will help remove any additional excess loose ones that you got in here. Then you do the same thing, just go back with the vacuum cleaner and clean off all those loose particles. And here you have a nice little spot of grass. Now comes the fun part, painting it. For this, I'm using various green colors, and I recommend you get these cheaper brands because not only you have a lot to use. I use these all the time. So I have over 200 bottles and I've always been using them. But also you can make, you don't have to worry about wasting paints because these are so cheap. You can buy a bottle for like, at least here in the United States, for less than $1. Super glue of your choice. With a toothpick, you're gonna take some super glue and add it to one end, the end that you wanna place down on the base. Up in little bundles like this, letting it dry. You pull off the excess. Now you have little bundles of grass. Flickering out like this while the paint is drying, it can help prevent the paint sticking the bristles together. So you don't need to use a lot of paint for this process. It's just to give it some color. And again, instead of painting like this, you're gonna paint using the brush in a dabbing motion from the top to the bottom. I'll add a little bit more dark green at the bottom here, using lighter greens towards the top, Here's a model on a base that I already prepared. Now I'm gonna apply some of my small bundle grass to this guy. First, you can drill a hole in the spot you want to apply your grass. Apply the grass after dipping this end in glue, or you can trim some of this super glue and give you a flat base. Dip this in glue and attach it to the base. And there you have it, your own homemade grass. You can always trim up as much as you want, but I wanted to show more wild vegetation on this little piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing some of you try it out. Till next time.